Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is about how to remove the seam lines from the canopy. Many clear parts, especially the canopy etc., have a seam line on top of the canopy. This is mainly because of the joining of two molds. So I start off by cutting the clear part from the sprue and cleaning off the edges. I use a hobby knife for this purpose, and this is quite similar to what we do for normally all the other plastic parts after cutting off from the sprue. Here you can see the seam line on the top of the canopy, and as I mentioned, this is caused due to the manufacturing process of the molds. So we will try to remove it since this is not realistic. And we start off by scraping off this high seam line with the hobby knife. If you by chance cause a scratch or two on some other part of the canopy, do not worry at all, because we will be rubbing off and polishing the entire canopy in the subsequent steps. For the next part, I'm using a nail buffer or a nail file, and it's a very cheap thing that you can buy on Amazon or any other cosmetic shop. This I bought for €3.40 or something around that. And this has 4 different parts, with the roughest, the black, which is used in the first stage, and gradually going to the polishing, which is the white. So the first step starts with polishing the place where the seam line was with the roughest part, with the file. And you can see that the glass is, or the clear part is gradually turning hazy. And this means you're actually removing material from this clear part. In the subsequent steps, we will be moving to more finer surfaces which will rub against this plastic part, and these will not remove material as much as the first step. So we will be leveling down and reducing the roughness, and so the haziness will gradually disappear as we move to more finer and finer surfaces of the file. As you can see, we are already now on our third surface or third step, which is for buffing, and you can see that the haziness is gradually disappearing from the clear part along with the seam line. These steps can be done also with the sanding sticks, which are also used in modeling, but I found this solution to be cheaper locally, and hence I decided to give it a try. So for the fourth step, we use the smoothest part of the nail file, and by this time the canopy is almost clear. There's a slightly bit hint of haziness. If you want, you can stop at this phase, or for further more crystal clear finish, I decided to use the Tamiya compound. This is the finishing compound. Tamiya also has, I think, 2 more compounds for the previous steps, and this is the ultimate step to get the crystal clear result. This can be applied with help of a cotton swab and rubbed in on the glass surface until this white liquid disappears, or if it's excess, you can simply wipe it off with a cotton swab or with a napkin or some felt cloth, etc. So here we are at the final result. The seam line is totally gone, the canopy is clear. So if you like this video, please give a like, please leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to see more such videos.